Hey fam, welcome to PMB Chronicles and today is another day in my life. Isasama ko kayo guys dahil today uuwi yung kapatid ko, si Lisa. And she's coming home from Dubai. So Joanna, Bunso, and I are going to go to the airport and we have a little surprise. It's kind of like a prank vlog na gagawin natin today. And ayan, pakita natin Bunso yung, pakita mo yung surprise natin kay Lisa. Ayan siya. Good luck. Hindi namin alam kung matatawa siya or magagalit. But this is... yeah, that's become a famous homecoming vlog. Prank. Samahan nyo kami. Mag-i-drive kami going to the airport dahil pauwi. Magsasabay-sabay na kami kasama ang brother-in-law ko and si Lisa. So, tara samahan nyo kami ni Pepper Pie. Bye-bye. Hey fam, dito na kami sa in-drive ride natin going to the airport. And, ayan, kakonsyaba ko si Bunso. Pero hindi alam ni Lisa na susundo rin kami. So, the script is si Arden, yung aking brother-in-law, yung asawa ni Lisa, is going to tentatively pick her up. Pero sana hindi kami maunahan at mag-book ng ride-hailing app. Otherwise, magiging epic fail to. But, kinakabahan kami kasi baka ma-offend si Lisa. Baka ma-high blood sa tarpaulin. But let's see guys. Alright, so samahan nyo kami on our way to the airport. We're headed to Terminal 3. See you guys. Hey fam, dito na kami sa airport. And nag-aantay kami sa update ni brother-in-law. Pero eto na, naka-ready na si... Teka. Wish us luck guys. Good luck sa amin. Baka walk-outan kami ni Sisterhood. But anyway guys, sister, pag mapanood mo to, huwag ka magalit, ha? Or kung nagtampo ka man, huwag ka na magtampo. We love you. We miss you so much. Bye-bye. Happy muna kami guys. Libre ako ni Bunso. Bunso, salamat. Mayaman siya. Mayaman siya talaga. Bunso pa utang. Bunso pa utang. Pautang.
Sige, pautang, tas pautang din ako sa'yo. After.
Balik ko.
Hindi siya masagot ko yan.
Neng.
Uy, hindi siya mirror, ha?
Ayun na burger.
Paano siya umangat, kuya? Ayan. Ay,
Doon ang ano niya, labas niya. Saan nyo gusto pumesto? Banda doon tayo? Para
Kahit dito
arrival
lang.
talaga?
Iniisip namin, hindi muna kami papasok.
ayan na si Kuya Arden.
Eh, hi. Hindi kaya nga, ako una nyo makita.
Correct.
Diba? So, doon kami
Tapos
lalabas.
saan mo siya idadaan
Dito rin
sa
naman
amin?
ang parking namin natin eh.
Welcome home!
Eh, para ako ilang taon umalis ah. Ang baliw.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Na-inlove ulit si Arden.
Ang kakakarites. Ano ba yan? Kaya lang? Ano ba?
Welcome home!
Kaya Eh, para ako ilang taon umalis ah. Ang baliw.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Na-inlove ulit si Arden.
Ang kakakarites. Hindi na nakahintay bukas ah. Grabe ah.
Ay, mayaman. Ang bango-bango.
Baho ko na nga eh. Maliligo ako pagdating eh. Hindi na nakahintay bukas ah. Grabe ah.
Amoy mayaman. Ang bango-bango.
Baho ko na nga eh. Maliligo ako pagdating eh.
Ano namang masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Naiyak na sana ako eh. Kaso parang nakita ko yung teacher ko eh. Eh, ba't naman talaga may pag-ganyan? Oh, ganda? Ang ganda?
Diba? Oh, ganda-ganda kaya.
Kahit pa kayo.
Welcome home.
Yeah, I'm also welcoming myself. Halina pa kayo. Uy, grabe naman. Pag ganyan pa, nasa sabi.
Andiyan si Abby.
Pinauna ko nga, baka sa ring ka.
Kaya nga eh, pag ganito, grabe naman.
Kaya picture kayo. Picture. Welcome home, Incheck.
Wow naman, talaga full force naman ng
Kasi yung
barangay.
nabaka ng
Andiyan sila mama at papa.
Huh?
Char.
Barangay. Kayo, kumain na ba kayo?
Oo, Ning.
Hindi na lang ako dyan sa baba.
Ang tamis-tamis.
Announce yan.
So guys, update lang. Mukhang epic fail. Hindi masyadong na-surprise si sister. Sister, come here. Welcome home.
Surprise nga ako eh.
Mas
Talaga ba?
na-surprise siya sa picture.
Ano daw?
Mas na-surprise siya sa picture.
Parang di naman. Nagtatawanan lang kami. Anyway, andito na kami sa parking, guys. We're trying to figure out where the parking... Ayun, car park. Ayan. Oo. Hindi na natandaan ni Arden kung saan siya nag-park, guys. Anyway, we're here, guys. Hey fam, welcome back, and we're finally home after that late night travel from the airport. And again, welcome back home, Chinita, Sanggay. Welcome back home, and again, maraming salamat sa pagkuntsaba sa akin, Bunso, Joanna, and of course Arden. Thank you so much for making this day somewhat a special day and a fun day for Lisa, though I feel hindi talaga tayo nag-succeed in terms of the prank, you know, pero natuwa naman ako dahil she appreciated it and she liked it. But anyway, it was fun and interesting to see, you know, how people really kind of like check out yung ibang tao kapag nasa public. Like, kasi si Joanna, I was observing last night, no? She was carrying the tarpaulin, and then we were waiting kay Elisa doon sa arrival area. And then people saw the tarp and they kind of like checking out Joanna for some reason, maybe out of interest, maybe out of, you know, ginajudge niya na kami. But I mean, who cares? But it was just interesting and fascinating to see that, you know, people kind of like check out and get interested with other people's stuff, right? But I think it's part of our human instinct. Something interesting to note and, you know, to take away from all this airport arrival prank vlog. But I think what I wanted also to take home for you guys as a message is that always work on making your loved ones feel special, right? Whenever you can. So life is short, and if you have gone to this part of our vlog, guys, maraming salamat for watching up until this part. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and i-click nyo na rin yung bell button dyan para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga upcoming contents natin dito sa PMB Chronicles. But anyway, guys, this is gonna be the end of our vlog today. And as I always say, choose kindness, be happy, and take care of yourself. Again, this is PM, guys, and this is PMB Chronicles saying, God bless you all. Bye, guys!
Montage mo dyan.
Ganda ko. Charot.
Pero kung masyado magpapaliwan.
Ay, nalaglag yung GoPro mo.